Good afternoon. I am Franz and I am going to discuss the trailing spouse dilemma in foreign assignments. The trailing spouse dilemma refers to the challenges faced by the spouse of an expatriate manager who relocates abroad for a work assignment. This issue is multifaceted, encompassing various personal, professional, and social difficulties. Personally, they often deal with isolation, culture shock, and a lack of social support systems. Adjusting to a new culture and environment can be overwhelming, leading to feelings of loneliness and frustration. Professionally, many trailing spouses must leave their jobs or put their careers on hold to accompany their partner. This career disruption can result in a loss of professional identity, reduced self esteem, and difficulties in finding suitable employment in the new location due to language barriers, work visa restrictions, or non recognition of qualifications. Socially, building a new network in a foreign country can be daunting. The trailing spouse may struggle to find community connections and meaningful social interactions, which exacerbates the feelings of isolation and homesickness. Additionally, managing family responsibilities adds further stress. The trailing spouse often becomes the primary caregiver, handling the needs of children, such as schooling and social integration, and caring for elderly family members from a distance. This role can be demanding and overwhelming. Next thing that I wanted to tackle is the potential solutions, interventions, and approaches to increase the success of an expat assignment. First off is solution. Assisting with international placement is essential for helping employees and their families adjust to a new country. Providing comprehensive support programs such as access to support groups and social networks and counseling services can make it easier for trailing spouses to adapt and build a new community. Additionally, offering career assistance like helping spouses find employment or volunteer opportunities maintains their sense of purpose and continuity. Companies should also prioritize work life balance by offering flexibility and support following expat employees to manage both work and family responsibilities as they settle into their new environment. Next thing is intervention. One of the biggest concerns for trailing spouses is job security. So, offering a guaranteed job upon returning can significantly reduce anxiety and make the assignment more attractive by providing peace of mind and financial stability. Additionally, providing airline tickets for family vacations allows the spouse and their family to visit their home country regularly, which can alleviate homesickness and help maintain connections with loved ones. Immigration assistance is another crucial support as navigating the complex process of visas and work permits can be stressful. Professional help ensures a smoother transition, allowing the spouse to focus on settling into their new life rather than dealing with the legal and bureaucratic challenges. Review and analysis of an academic article on international assignments and the trailing spouse. I would like to discuss an insightful academic article by Harvey and Weiss published in the Human Resource Management Review titled The Dual Career Couple Female Expatriates and Their Career Concerns. One of the most significant challenges highlighted in the article is the issue of career sacrifice. In dual career couples, it is often the trailing spouse who must put their career on hold. This sacrifice can be particularly pronounced when the female partner takes on the expatriate role. The trailing spouse in this case may find it difficult to pursue their professional aspirations, leading to career stagnation and frustration. Beyond career related challenges, the trailing spouse may also experience emotional and social impacts. Moving to a new country often involves leaving behind established social networks, family, and friends. This can lead to social isolation and emotional stress, making the adjustment period even more challenging. The trailing spouse may struggle with feelings of loneliness and lack of purpose, which can further exacerbate the emotional toll of the move. This article also emphasizes the importance of organizational support for the trailing spouse. Without adequate support system in place, the dissatisfaction of the trailing spouse can lead to a premature end to the international assignment. Companies need to recognize the importance of providing resources and support for both expatriate and their trailing spouse. Analysis of the article. First one is impact on international organizations. If the trailing spouse is unhappy or can't continue their career, companies might lose valuable employees. This affects how long employees stay and increase the cost of hiring new people. The success of international assignments can also suffer if the trailing spouse is dissatisfied, leading to unfinished projects and wasted resources. Companies that don't support trailing spouses might get a bad reputation, make it harder to attract top talents. Next is impact on international HR issues. HR department needs to think about the careers for both partners in dual career couples. This can help the trailing spouse by offering job search assistance for networking opportunities, which can lessen the impact on their career. Providing emotional and social support is also important. This can help include counseling services, social networks, and programs to help the trailing spouse settle into the new environment. Additionally, allowing flexible work hours or remote work options for the expatriate can help balance family responsibilities, making things less stressful for the trailing spouse. Lastly, HR planning for the organization. HR should help before the move by offering visits to the host country and providing detailed information about local job markets and social opportunities for trailing spouses. Continuous support during the assignment, like regular check ins and community activities, can help the trailing spouse adapt and thrive. Preparing for the return home is also crucial, ensuring that both the expatriate and the trailing spouse have clear career paths and support can reduce the shock of coming back and help retain talent. Reflecting on my experiences with this HR course, I realized how much it has taught me about the strategic role of human resources. Before, I thought HR was mainly about hiring and firing or managing employee benefits. Now, I see HR as a key player in shaping company culture and supporting business goals. One important topic we covered is strategic workforce planning. This means thinking ahead about the number and types of employees needed to meet future goals. It's not just about filling positions, but ensuring the right people are in place to help the company grow. Another area that stood out to me is HR handles change in a company. Whether it's a merger or acquisition, new technology or restructuring, HR helps employees adapt. This includes clear communication, training, and support to make transitions smoother and less stressful. Learning about international HR was also very interesting, especially the challenges faced by the trailing spouse during expatriate assignments. HR can support these families by offering a guaranteed job at the end of the assignment, providing immigration help, and helping spouse adjust to a new culture. I can personally relate to this as an international student experiencing similar challenges with adapting to a new environment. These efforts can reduce the chances of assignment failing. Overall, this course has shown me that HR is much more than I thought. It's a strategic partner that helps shape the company or the future of the company, supports employees through changes, and ensures the right people are in the right jobs.